Which Merach magnetic rowing machine is actually the best? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 top options to help you make a smart choice. Product number 1, Merach Q1S Magnetic Rower. First up is the Merach Q1S Magnetic Rower, priced at $189.99. This machine immediately caught my eye for its sleek design and solid brand reputation. If you want a quiet and effective rowing experience at home, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The built-in Merach app offers a variety of courses, allowing you to engage in structured workouts from the comfort of your home. Plus, the LCD display gives you real-time feedback on metrics like distance and calories burned. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds and a dual slide rail design, it ensures stability and accommodates users up to 67 tall. This machine has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 377 reviews, with over 100 units sold in just the past month, reflecting its popularity. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you can follow instructions, it shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. This isn't a deal breaker, especially when you consider its performance and features. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact rowing machine that offers a quiet workout. Skip this one if you need something with heavier resistance for advanced training. Honestly, for $189.99, you really get a lot for your money. Now, if the assembly concern bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for a seamless setup. Product number 2, YOSUDA Magnetic Rower. Next, we have the YOSUDA Magnetic Rower at $239.99. This one stood out to me because of its impressive range of resistance levels and user-friendly design. If you want a machine that grows with your fitness, this is worth checking out. Here's why this product solves your problem. This means whether you're a beginner or an athlete, you can tailor your workouts to your needs. The extended slide rail design allows users up to 62 to row comfortably, and it supports a maximum weight of 350 pounds. Plus, it connects to the YOSUDA app via Bluetooth, giving you access to engaging workouts and real-time metrics. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 2,500 reviews, it's clear that many users are happy with their purchase. However, some reviews mention that the seat cushion could be more comfortable for longer sessions. Now I get that, but honestly, most rowing sessions are short bursts, and for the price, I think it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you appreciate connectivity and a wide range of resistance options. Skip this one if you have limited space, since it may take a bit more room when stored. Overall, for $239.99, it's a strong contender. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability and quiet operation. Product number 3, Drypex Upgraded Rowing Machine. Next up is the Drypex Upgraded Rowing Machine, priced at $169.99. I found this one intriguing because of its affordability and features. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It has a dual slide design, which improves stability and supports users from 45 to 65. The noise level is impressively low, below 15 decibels, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Additionally, the app compatibility lets you track your progress in real time, which is crucial for motivation. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that it resonates with many users. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, most people can assemble it within 20 minutes. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers decent performance. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features, as it doesn't have as many as pricier models. For $169.99, it's a great value for a home fitness setup. If you like the price but want something with even more advanced features, hang on for the next one. Product number 4, Merach Q1SC Electromagnetic Rowing Machine. Next is the Merach Q1 SC electromagnetic rowing machine, retailing at $239.99. This caught my eye because of its smooth electromagnetic resistance. If you're after a more advanced option, this is worth a serious look. Why does this product solve your problem? You get 16 levels of resistance, easily adjustable via the Merach app, which also offers engaging workout courses. It has a dual slide rail design which prevents flipping over while rowing and supports users up to 350 pounds, accommodating most body types. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 372 reviews, this machine is a popular choice. However, some users found the price a bit high compared to similar models. Now I'll be real with you, while it may be pricier, the quality and features justify the investment for many. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your workouts and value advanced technology. Skip this one if you're just starting and want a more basic machine. Honestly, for what it offers, the $239.99 price tag is reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable that doesn't compromise on features, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5. Merach Q1 Magnetic Rower. Finally, we have the Merach Q1 Magnetic Rower once again, this time priced at $189.98. I think it's worth mentioning again because it's a top seller and offers incredible value. If you want a reliable rowing machine that won't break the bank, this is worth a look. This product continues to address your problems effectively. It features the same user-friendly design and quiet operation as its counterpart, with 16 levels of magnetic resistance that you can easily adjust. The dual slide rail and app compatibility for tracking your metrics make this a solid choice for anyone looking to get fit at home. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,200 reviews, it's clear this machine has satisfied many customers. However, some users mentioned issues with delivery speeds. Here's the thing though, once it arrives, it's pretty straightforward to set up and use, which is what matters most. This is perfect for you if you want a great rowing machine without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a machine with advanced features that cater to professional athletes. At $189.98, you really can't beat the value for what you get. To wrap up, we've looked at the top 5 Merach magnetic rowing machines. From the budget-friendly Drypex to the advanced Merach Q1 SC, there's something here for everyone. Each machine has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best. Happy rowing!